This equation of parabola is given in the question. First, we will convert this equation in this form. X square is equal to y. This y can be written 4 times 1 by 4 times y. Comparing this equation with this equation, we get a is equal to 1 by 4. In this question, it is given that slope of tangent is 4 and a is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, to find coordinate of point of contact P, we will apply this formula. 2am square 2 times a times m 4 am square a 1 by 4 m square 4a square. Thus we get 2 4. That means coordinate of point P is 2 4. This equation of circle is given in the question. 2 can be written root 2a square. Therefore, radius will be root 2. If we compare this equation with x square plus y square is equal to r square, radius square, then in place of r, here is root 2. Therefore, radius will be root 2. It is given in this question that slope of tangent is -1. That means tan, if we suppose this angle alpha, this angle beta, this angle gamma, if slope is -1, that means tan gamma will be equal to -1. But we know that tan 135 degree is -1. That means gamma is equal to 135 degree. Since beta plus gamma is equal to 180, therefore beta will be equal to 180 minus gamma, and gamma is 135. Therefore beta will be 45 degree. Since this angle is 90 degree, therefore alpha plus beta will be equal to 90 degree. But beta is 45 degree. Therefore alpha will be equal to 90 minus 45, that is equal to 45 degree. This alpha is 45 degree. Now, if a radius makes angle theta in anticlockwise direction with x-axis, then coordinate of this point is r cos theta, r sin theta. By using this formula, coordinate of point Q can be written root 2 cos alpha 45 degree, 45 degree, root 2 sin alpha, but alpha is 45 degree, therefore root 2 sin 45 degree. Value of cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Value of sin 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. This will be equal to 1 1. Therefore, coordinate of Q is 1 1. This equation of ellipse is given in this question. First, we convert this in this form. Divide both sides by 8 so that in RHS we can get 1. Dividing both sides by 8 we get this. This 8 can be written root 8 square. This 2 can be written root 2 square. Comparing this with this, we get a square is equal to root 8 square means 8. B square is root 2 square, that is equal to 2. Since it is given in the question that slope of the tangent is minus 1 by 2. Now a square 8, b square 2, m is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is formula for point of contact in slope form. Here m is slope of tangent, then coordinate of point of contact is this. In the denominator is root under a square m square plus b square. First we find value of a square m square plus b square. 8 a square 8 times m square minus 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 plus b square means 2. This is equal to 4. Now we find minus a square m. Minus a square means 8 times m means minus 1 by 2. This is equal to 4. Now coordinate of point R by using this formula will be this. This is equal to minus a square m is 4. 4 by root under a square m square plus b square. But value of a square m square plus b square is 4. That means root 4. b square is 2. 2 by root under 4. Root under this, root under 4. This is equal to this. And this will be equal to 2, 1. Therefore, coordinate of R will be 2, 1. Since x coordinate of point P and point R are equal, therefore PR, this side PR is parallel to y-axis. Since y coordinate of point Q and point R are equal, therefore QR, this side QR is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, this angle will be 90 degree. Since this angle is 90 degree, therefore PQ will be diameter of this circle by using metric class knowledge. Since PQ is a diameter, therefore radius will be PQ by 2. And PQ by using distance formula can be written this. After simplification, we get root under 5 by 2. Radius is equal to root under 5 by 2. Now solution is complete.